Hi guys, it's so good to have you here today. Thank you for being here. So today I've got a waterfall with blues, gold, silver and pearlescent white with a bit of bronze. So I'm levelling up the canvas before starting this swipe technique. I'll put in the descriptions below all of the different mixtures and proportions I used, and today I'm using water, PVA glue, iridescent mediums, gloss mediums. I'm just experimenting with different colours, and the outcome is a really beautiful effect, especially the pearlescent white that I'm going to be making a strip of later on. So I hope you really enjoy it. I also used some recycled materials again. I used some cartons from our yogurts and kefirs, and I used a grape carton to cut out the little plastic swipers. So I'll put that in the description too, but it's so good using recycled materials. So I'll let you just watch now as the base coat settles, and I pop the air bubbles and begin swiping. Enjoy. I'd love to know what you think, and I'd love to know what you're creating at the moment. I'll see you soon. So I hope you've enjoyed this swipe technique today, and some top tips with how to get these little plastic swipers. I'll pop the description below, any information that you need, any questions you have, or any colours and techniques that you'd like to see in the future. I'm always open to hearing. I'd love to hear what colours you'd like to see and to know about your creations. So here's the result of the wet version for one of them. I ended up doing 2 in the end, so I thought I'd add the result of the other painting at the end here now, so you can see. And I did a bit of a midnight sky with stars, so I just flicked a bit of paint and here it is. I hope you enjoy. Happy creating, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye.